Hi, in this video I will show you how you can consolidate data from various sheets to a single sheet. So let's begin with an example. You can see that here we have sheets for all the quarters and we have yearly sales sheet. So we want to bring data from all these sheets to the yearly sales sheet. So let's see how it works. For consolidation you need to go to data and then we have data tools. Under data tools we have consolidate option. Click here and you get this box, consolidate box. First, you need to select a function that you want to perform on consolidated data. So these are aggregate functions. You can select any function. For now, I'm going to select some function which is selected by default. And then you need to add references to this list by using this reference text box. Now click on the reference text box and select data that you want to include from all the sheets one by one. So you can see that here we have reference. Now click on add. It is added to this box, list box below. Similarly, go to the sheet, another sheet, and select data that you want to include. Click on add again. Go to third sheet, select the data again, click on add, and finally for the fourth quarter, select the data again, click on add. Now we have references from all the sheets. Here we need to specify which labels we want to include in the consolidated data. So I will include top row, which is this one, east, west, north, south, and then the left column, right? These labels. So we need both the labels from the top row and the left column. Now click on OK. Source reference overlaps destination area. So I need to click here first, yearly sale, and then click on OK. All the options are set already. Click on OK. And now we got the consolidated data with labels from the top row and the left column, right? So these values are the sum of values from these sheets, okay? But we don't have some function written here. Data consolidation has done this for us, okay? We will not see any sum function written anywhere, okay? So in another example I will show you how you can link your data to these sheets. Currently what is happening is that if we look at this value 95,000, 007 for Alice Merton and East, if I make any changes to any of the quarters, let's make it 30,000, here it will not change because the data is not linked to the source sheets. But we can do that as well. If I go to the linked sheet, click on consolidate again. Here I need to select this option, create links to source data. If I select this option, the consolidated data will be linked to the source sheets. Let's see. Let me resize the columns. Now here you can see that we have average because in consolidation I selected average already, right? And we have average here, average function everywhere. Click anywhere and you will see average function, right? And how this is linked, if I click on this plus button to expand it for Alice Merton, you can see that it is showing me the data from the source sheet, right? This is the reference of source sheets. So the data is coming from the source sheet. It is linked to the source sheet. Now if I make changes to Q1 and B3 cell, which is Alice Merton and East, currently it is 33,648. If I make it 35 and go to linked again, now it is 35, and obviously the average will also change. Okay, if I expand it for all the products, so you can see that we have references from other sheets and then average function everywhere, and you can expand or collapse it using these buttons. So these are called outlines. Okay, so this is how you can consolidate data from various sheets, and you can also link it to the source sheets so that if you make any changes to the source sheets, the consolidated data also changes. So that's how it works. You can also link your consolidated data to multiple files as well. If you are bringing data from multiple files, that can also be linked, but for that I will create another video. So thanks for watching.